Hi, it's Annelie. Today I'm just going to paint these two paintings. I'm going to use a palette knife and maybe this silicone tool, I don't know what you call it. And a few colors like white and blue and red and yellow and green. And a little bit of purple. So you can just watch and sit back and relax and pour yourself a cup of tea and watch me paint. I hope you enjoy. can see it in real time. It took me under 15 minutes to paint these two. All that I still need to do is put a little bit of black into the doors, maybe, if I would, and maybe in the stems of the trees. And then I'm going to sign my name and I'm finished. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my Paynes grey. And I'm going to just put a little bit of black into the door. I'm just gonna put a little bit there just to, I've got water on my brush now and that doesn't want to work with it now. Okay, and I think I'm finished. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell that you can see future uploads of my paintings. And if everything goes well, I will see you next time. You must have a lovely day.